Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my videos that I share to my channel. After updated and subscribing my channel you will be updated with fashion and trend because I always made video on fashion and trend. I know you were waiting of my video, so guys your wait is over. I'm here again with your one and other favorite topic, so let's start the video. Today my video is about all type of short haircut including wolf haircut, butterfly haircut, pixie bob haircut, wolf haircut, stacked haircut, and inverted haircut. While I am sharing all the beautiful short bob styles haircut in this video, I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous, outstanding, mind-blowing according to fashion in this summer. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous that will inspire you to get your favorite as early as possible as you watch. So guys, don't waste the time. Pick up your favorite one. Just take a screenshot or download a video and go to your hairstylist and get this hairstyle. Also, let me know which hairstyle you select for yourself. Well, I'm sharing all the bob short hairstyles like inverted, stack, pixie, wolf, butterfly, chin length, shoulder length, short bob haircuts with beautiful fashion hair color which are going on trending. It will be easy for yourself after watching it that what kind of hairstyle you want and what kind of hairstyle and hair color you want to get. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous that will help you to select your favorite haircut with favorite color which you want. I hope you guys like my effort. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section. And also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also can know about the latest fashion that I share to my channel daily. You can share your ideas through comment section that what kind of video you want to see next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your ideas, and your appreciation and support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys next daily. Well, these all hairstyles are really gorgeous that easy to carry, classy and ready to go anywhere. After getting this hairstyle you don't need to style them for long time. You can go anywhere anytime in kitty parties, get-togethers, functions and receptions and parties also. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I will be there in next with one of your and other topic. Till then, take care yourselves and remember me in your prayers too. God bless you all, and again don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel. Take care yourselves. God bless you all and have a great hair day.